Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are substances that have been preserved beneath the Earth's crust and originated from the remains of plants and animals that existed in prehistoric times. These fuels include coal, petroleum, and natural gas. Origin of fossil fuels. The exact natural processes that led to the formation of fossil fuels are a subject of debate. However, it is widely accepted that millions of years ago, between 200 million to 250 million years ago, natural disasters like earthquakes, cyclones, storms, and floods buried a vast number of plants and animals deep within the earth. Over time, under conditions of high pressure, high temperature, and in the absence of oxygen, these organic materials underwent decomposition. Depending on the specific external factors to which they were exposed, this decomposition resulted in the formation of coal, petroleum, or natural gas. Fossil fuels as non-renewable sources of energy. Fossil fuels take millions of years to form and cannot be renewed over a short time period, such as 100 or 1,000 years. Therefore, they are considered non-renewable resources. Their scarcity makes them extremely valuable, and their usage should be judicious to prevent their depletion. If not used carefully, these resources could be exhausted within a century or so, leading to an unprecedented energy crisis with long-lasting consequences. Uses of fossil fuels. 1. Coal for electricity generation. Coal is extensively used in thermal power stations to generate electricity. It is crushed into a fine powder and burned in specially designed furnaces to produce heat energy. This heat energy is used to generate high-pressure superheated steam. The superheated steam is directed onto turbine blades, causing them to rotate rapidly. The turbine is connected to an electric generator, which produces electrical energy. Such power generation facilities are known as thermal power stations because they convert heat energy into electricity. Figure 6.202. Natural gas. Natural gas is used both for generating thermal electricity and as a household fuel. It is also employed as a fuel source for compressed natural gas (CNG) vehicles. 3. Petroleum. Petroleum is subjected to refining processes to yield various products such as gasoline, petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, lubricating oil, furnace oil, and petroleum gas. Petrol and diesel are commonly used as fuels for various types of vehicles. Kerosene oil serves as household fuel and aviation fuel, while petroleum gas is utilized for household purposes. Issues of economic viability and ability to meet demands. Energy plays a major role in the economic development of the country. In recent years, India's energy consumption has been increasing at a relatively fast pace due to population growth and rapid economic development. The economy places heavy demand on electric power. Presently, coal-based power generation is characterized by regional environmental degradation and greenhouse gas emissions leading to climate change. Thus, there is need to enhance energy security and reduce greenhouse emissions. Renewable energy is an environmentally friendly source of energy and key to counter climate changes. The increasing global temperature and energy requirements demand a shift to such sustainable and economically efficient sources along with improved energy-efficient measures. India is blessed with a variety of renewable energy resources, the main ones being biomass, biogas, sun, wind, geothermal, tidal and hydropower. There is huge potential in these resources which can be explored and harnessed to meet the energy demand. India has to build up its energy infrastructure to meet its economic and social targets due to increase in demand of power. The initial capital cost of installation is high in most of the renewable resources, but the cost of operation and maintenance is comparatively cheaper than thermal and nuclear power plants. With the increase in the prices of coal, gas and other fossil fuels, renewable resources will become comparable or cheaper than the conventional power resources and thus become economically viable. Because of this heavy demand and limited resources, the price of energy sources is steadily increasing. Import of oil and coal are increasing every year. This indiscriminate use of energy resources on one hand is leading to energy crisis, on the other hand to global pollution of air and water. Unless some clean and cheap sources of energy are developed, this energy crisis is likely to continue. This may lead to tension or war between the countries which have large resources of energy with the ones who do not have these resources.